Can you point the telephone? There's the telephone. Oh, listen to the sound of the telephone, okay? Listen. That's the sound of the telephone. Oh, can you point the clock? There's the clock. Oh, listen to the sound of the clock, okay? Listen to the sound of the clock. Do you hear the sound? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Hands down, please. Can you point the drums? Can you point the drums? Oh, listen to the sound of the drum, okay?
Has a very sharp, snappy sound because it's the snare drum.
Listen to the sound of the drum, kuya.
As part of our drum set is the snare drum.
That's the sound of the drum.
As part of our drum set is the snare drum.
Listen.
Has a very
Okay, very good. Look at the sound of the whistle. Can you pound? Okay. Listen to the sound of the whistle first, kuya. Listen. Where's the whistle? Very good. And lastly, listen to the sound of the bell. That's the sound of the bell. Okay. We will do some activity ha, kuya ha. You listen ha. Where is the telephone? Point the telephone. Look at the screen. Look at the screen, Kuya Marcos. Look at the screen. Kuya Marcos. Kuya Marcos, look at the screen, please. Kuya, look at the screen.